Hello, little artist. Now we're going to have a blast drawing a super cute cupcake. Are you ready? Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's begin with the cupcake wrapper. Draw a squiggly line in the shape of a cup. Great job! This is where our delicious cupcake will go. Now, let's add the yummy frosting. Draw a fluffy cloud-like shape on top of the cup. Fantastic! Time to make it even more delicious. Time to make it even sweeter. Draw a strawberry on top of the frosting. It's like a little hat for our cupcake. And now, add a heart beside the strawberry. Love is the secret ingredient. Let's give our cupcake a personality. Draw two cute eyes above the heart. Make them as big as you can. Now, draw a sweet smile below the eyes. Our cupcake is so happy. Great job on the drawing. Now it's time to add color to your cupcake. Use your favorite crayons to bring it to life. Blue color. Color the cupcake wrapper, frosting, strawberry, heart, eyes, and smile. Orange color. Pink color. Green color. Red color. Red color.
La da 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 dee.
Green color.
Yay!
Blue color.
Wow!
Indigo color. Blue color. Indigo color.
Wow!
Time for a magical touch. Wow, it's looking extra special now. You did it, little artist. Look at your adorable, sparkling cupcake masterpiece. It's like a dream come true. Keep up the great work and have fun adding your own special touches next time. Thanks for drawing, coloring, and adding sparkles with us at Toddlers Archive.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.